Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Hundreds of thousands of Pakistanis are leaving for jobs abroad amid the country's financial and security woes, a brain drain that threatens to further damage the struggling economy. This video is about the brain drain in Pakistan. Figures from the Bureau of Immigration and Overseas Employment show that 832,339 Pakistanis went overseas for work in 2022, the most since 2016 and third largest tally on record. Saudi Arabia was the most preferred destination, attracting 5,14,909. The dire state of Pakistani economy offers few reasons to stay. It is on the verge of collapse, with foreign exchange reserves down to $2.9 billion, enough to cover barely 3 weeks of imports. Inflation hit 27.6% on the year in January. Per capita income stands at $1,658. Young Pakistanis, who account for the majority of the population, face bleak prospects. Pakistan's National Human Development Report in 2017 said 64% were younger than 30, while 29% were between the ages of 15 and 29. The last few years have witnessed a sharp rise in brain drain in Pakistan. Over 900 teachers, 2,500 doctors, 1,600 nurses, and about 5,500 engineers, 2,000 computer and IT experts, 2,600 agricultural experts, and 6,500 accountants left Pakistan. The remaining were laborers traveling to the Gulf states for earning their livelihoods and are invaluable sources of remittances for the country. But it is the high number of skilled individuals departing that is the cause for concern. Such security concerns have only grown recently with a surge in terrorism, but many worry that the exodus, particularly skilled workers who accounted for Pakistan's 90,000 of the departures in 2022, will only compound Pakistan's problems. In addition, highly skilled talent usually finds an easy migration path. Although there are multiple factors at play, the core reasons, especially for the currently escalated pace at the scale of brain drain, are dwindling economic opportunities, growing pessimism, and the possibility of long-term economic hardships. Whereas a life abroad offers a guaranteed improvement to the quality of life and a better return on investment of the time and labor, as well as secure future for offsprings. The issue is currently being further exacerbated by the political instability, unequal opportunities, a challenging law and order situation, unhealthy workplace cultures, and an overwhelmed healthcare and education system falling apart at the seams due to a number of systematic issues resulting in a rampant price gouging by a predatory private sector. The highly educated, in particular, are confronted by a lack of growth opportunities and fluctuating economic stability. Young people are not only the ones rushing for the exit. Multiple immigration experts said people in their 40s and 50s are also trying to move out of the country. It is unbelievable that a rising number of relatively older people are seriously exploring options to move out of Pakistan due to security and economic issues. Most of the people are liquidating their assets or borrowing loans in Pakistan for immigration and leaving with no intention of returning. People who once settled abroad and then returned to Pakistan to serve their country, now they are also doing their best to revive their immigration status and move out of the country again. Nevertheless, many Pakistanis are voting with their feet, believing that a better future can be found elsewhere. But the adjustment is not always easy. Pakistanis abroad face problems of homesickness, cultural shocks, difficulty in finding decent jobs, and low wages in foreign countries when they initially move out. Even after a few years of struggle, when Pakistanis settle down in a foreign country, they are still worried all the time about their loved ones back at home.